Hey everyone, welcome to my family's kitchen. Today we're sharing our most special recipes. These aren't just recipes, they're family treasures passed down for years. They're so good, they're amazing. Get ready for some awesome food secrets. We're talking crispy, yummy, and super tasty food. Get ready to take notes. This is a cooking class, family style. This apple pie isn't your normal apple pie. This is Grandma's special recipe. The crust is thin and flaky. The filling is amazing. It's full of juicy apples, cinnamon, sugar, and love. You'll want to eat every last bit, I promise. Now ribs. Everyone thinks they can make ribs, but my Uncle Joe, he's the best. His secret marinade is amazing. The ribs are so tender they fall off the bone. You won't even need a fork, just use your hands. My Aunt Mary, she's wonderful. She knows everyone loves good food. Her lasagna is amazing. Layers of pasta, meat sauce, and lots of cheese. It's the perfect dish for a family dinner. Chapter 4. Mom's Chicken Soup, a cure for the soul. This is important. Forget medicine, this is the real cure. Mom's Chicken Soup, it's good for everything. The broth is cooked for hours with veggies and herbs. It's like a hug from Mom. Chapter 5. Grandpa's Pancakes, Stacks of Happiness. Grandpa is a great guy. He makes you feel special. And his pancakes are just like him, fluffy and yummy. The secret? A little bit of vanilla. You'll eat these super fast. Chapter 6. Cousin Lisa's Chocolate Cake, Death by Chocolate, the good kind. This is amazing. Cousin Lisa is a great cook. Her chocolate cake is legendary. It's rich and moist with a secret frosting. It's so good. Chapter 7. Dad's Chili Spice Up Your Life. Dad's chili is spicy, it's full of spices. He has a secret ingredient from his grandpa. He won't tell anyone what it is, but trust me, it's good. Chapter 8. Nana's Bread Pudding, a taste of nostalgia. Nana's bread pudding reminds me of being a kid. It takes you back to Nana's kitchen. It's simple, comforting, and has a secret ingredient: bourbon. Don't tell the kids. Know you've been a good friend. Chapter 9. Sister's Tacos Fiesta in Your Mouth. My sister is awesome. She's always fun. And her tacos are just like her, tasty and fun. The secret is in the salsa. It's spicy and good. Chapter 10. Brothers Smoothies, a healthy dose of delicious. We need something healthy, right? My brother makes healthy smoothies. They're full of fruits, veggies, and a secret ingredient: Greek yogurt. It's a great way to eat healthy. That's it. 10 secret family recipes. They're more than just recipes, they're part of my family. So try them, share them, and make some memories. Cooking is about passion and love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.